today's something a little different because we're going to be opening up this. What's inside here? Well, let's open it up and have, well, let's just open it up. No further questions and let's get it going. Yeah, it's a pretty tight one here too. What's this? Another one? Well, let's open up this big old bubble wrap and see what we got ourselves in here. Yep, if you guessed it, it's this Manny plush. Now let's open it even more. Oh wow, it looks really nice. Look at his hair, it's all poofy and all that stuff. But yep, it's a Manny plush and this looks so cute. I gotta compare to Scrat. Yep, I have a Manny plush, and that's good news. Now all I need is Sid and Diego. Now I got this crap to get out of the way. But so far I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and, well, that's it for now.